Picture yourself in the 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Practicality and peace of mind are what this good-looking Corolla Cross delivers. Prepare to fall in love with its fuel efficiency and convenient layout, as well as its high-tech safety features, connected infotainment, and comfortable ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, keyless start, satellite radio, backup camera. Make the commute your happy place in this comfortable, well-equipped Corolla Cross. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.